make sure to drill holes in your D boxes. This is a 12-inch round distribution box. It's to catch all the shingle, gravel, and leaves. This is a gutter line. We have that on top of our French drain system. We have it to a low pressure pop-up. The NDS has no spring, so when you are very, very flat, you might choose that over the one with the spring, but I do like the one with the spring much better. This is our 20-inch distribution box, stone packed around it. It'll take a quad pack. That's right, you can hook 4 pipes up to this, no problem. And right now we got a double barrel French drain. And we did use the 8-slot yellow because we are sold completely out of high octane. We normally keep enough for the install crew, but the freight kept going out until there was no more. All right, everybody, until the next video. Oh yeah, and the Boffman family is working on running another lot of the high octane, so we should be back in business with high octane in a couple more weeks. Until the next video.